Very good morning, students. In last class we have done how to create queries. See, database is a combination of related data organized in a proper manner, and this access is an RDBMS in which the tables will be interrelated. Like here we have related these two tables. We have created the relationship between two tables, dance class and student details. So in last class we have created this query, and if I want to see this query in design view, I have to click on the view button. If I want to run this query, I have to click on this run button. So यहाँ पे हमने बेटा जब क्लास ये डांस क्लास एक टेबल बनाई थी, उसको जब हमने यहाँ से रिलेट किया था तो ये लाइन बीच में उनके रिलेशनशिप के लिए आ रही है। क्वेरी में जब आप इन दोनों टेबल में से डाटा लेंगे तो आप यहाँ से फील्ड्स सेलेक्ट करेंगे. यू विल क्लिक हियर. Already we have selected, that's why it is showing only the dance class only. If I want to select more field, now here you can see both the tables are coming and all the fields are coming, so I can select from here also. So आज हम करेंगे क्वेरीज के अंदर अगर आपको वाइल्ड कार्ड यूज़ करना हो तो आप कैसे करेंगे. वाइल्ड कार्ड क्या होते हैं, हमारे हेल्प करते हैं. वाइल्ड कार्ड एक सिंबल्स होते हैं जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करते किसी भी कैरेक्टर को या कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स को. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अब अगर आपको इस टेबल में अगर हम इस क्वेरी को रन करते हैं, यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ रहा है राम और श्याम, टू स्टूडेंट्स इट इज़ शोइंग. सो नाउ इफ़ आई वांट टू सी द डिटेल्स ऑफ ओनली दो स्टूडेंट्स हुज नेम स्टार्ट्स विद आर, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. आप यहाँ पे क्राइटेरिया में जाएंगे. यू कैन सी दिस क्राइटेरिया हेयर. अंडर नेम you have to click on this criteria, then you will put R and then this star symbol. On keyboard it is present on 8 key, न्यूमरिक की जो आपकी 8 होती है उसके ऊपर आपका ये स्टार सिंबल बना हुआ है, तो आप शिफ्ट के साथ इसको प्रेस कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट डज दिस मीन्स. दिस स्टार मीन्स all the names starting with R, so that will be shown on the query. Now I am running this query. Previously two students name were coming, Ram and Sham, but now I have pressed R and the star symbol. That means the name of those students whose names start with R, only those will be displayed. So these are the wildcards, these are the special characters and or the combination of characters. I have put here star, that means all the names which are started with R, those will be shown. Now if I am pressing question mark will represent only an individual character. Star means all characters and question mark means only one character. How many question mark if I have to put, only those name will be shown. For example, if I am putting here question mark, 2 times I have put this question mark because the Ram name was of 3 characters. Now it is showing. If I am pressing only one question mark, what will happen? It is not showing any name because Ram is of 3 characters and I have put here only single question mark. Star is for all the appearance and question mark is only for one appearance, or you can say individual character. So difference आप लोगों को पता चला बेटा. स्टार का मतलब होता है आर के बाद आपने स्टार लगा दिया, आर से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, उसके बाद चाहे कुछ भी लिखा हो वो सारे नेम आएंगे. बट क्वेश्चन मार्क आप जितने क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे उतने कैरेक्टर का नेम होना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द मेन डिफरेंस. So you can set with the help of this. Then you can use compound operators also. For example, here we have not taken such type of field. Suppose I am taking here field deposited or transportation. I just see in the table, I just check which type of fields is there. So class, I can take class. So I have to go to the query, click on the query, then go to the view. Sorry, I was already in design view. So I am taking one more field here, that is class. Now I want to take only class 8 students. Here I am deleting all this. I don't want to type it like this R. Class should be greater than or equals to 8. Now I have to run this query. Now it is not showing Ram. Why it is not showing? You can check. Ram is of class 7 and I have put I want to see the details of those students who are in class greater than or equals to 8, and that was only one student, that's why it is showing only Sham. Now it is not showing Ram. If I am deleting this criteria, what will happen? Now if I will run it, again both the students are coming, but if I am typing here greater than 8, then it will show only Sham. This way you can use these compound characters. Now sorting the data in the query. Again I am going here, I am deleting this also. You can see here sort. I want to see all the students and the name should be in ascending order. All data will be in ascending order. You can see here. If I am taking student ID in ascending order, what will happen? I am taking it in ascending order, and it should not be sorted. Now if I will run it, what will happen? Now it is showing Sham firstly, because now I have taken student ID in ascending order. So this way you can sort the data in a query. Now the next topic is deleting a field in a query. How I can delete any field in the query? Again I have to go to the design view. Now suppose I don't want this dance class. So what I have to do? Select this column and you can delete it. You can click on the delete columns option. Here it is, delete columns. Now if I will run this query, that field is not coming. Now if suppose you don't want to delete any field but you want to hide any field, this option is coming, show. If I am deselecting it, class I am not selecting, now I will run this. Again class is not coming. If you want to show that, you can click here. If it is deselected, if it will be deselected, then it will not be visible in that query. Now it is visible. If I will deselect it, it will not be visible. So this was your query. Now the next topic is creating a report. What are the reports? Basically, the basic building block of the Access or the RDBMS is table where you will store your data. After creating table, you can create forms, you can create queries, and you can create reports. So forms are, I have told you how to create the form. Forms are used for entering an individual person's entry. That already we have created. Then query is used to retrieve the specific data on the basis of some condition. And the last topic is your report. Report are the final printouts or printable format. So to create a report, I will click on the report wizard. From here you have to select the table, which table you want or which query you want. Suppose I am taking this dance class only. Again, for selecting all the fields, you have to click on this double arrow. Then click on the next button. Here you can see if you want to group them, you can group them. Here if you want to show the data in like student name is in ascending order or descending order, you can select from here also. Then click on the next button. This is the layout. If you want it in columnar format or in tabular format, whatever you want, you can select from here. In landscape or in portrait orientation you want, then click on the next button. This is for style, or you can say color scheme or theme, whatever. So you can select from here. You click on the next button. By default it will take the same name of the table. If you want to change, you can change. I am adding report. Then click on the finish button. This is your report. Now when you have to take the printout of this table, basically you will not take the printout of that table. You have to create the report. Now you can take the printout of this. All the data is present, whatever was in our table. And if you want to hide any column, or if you don't want any column, just deselect from there, from where we have selected all these fields. So this way you can create the report. So beta, we have finished our chapter. In next class I will send the question answer of this chapter. Beta, those in every class I am saying this, those who are having computer at their home, do the practice and send me the video. Keep doing practice. Take care. All the best.